Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your computer and the target display are on the same Wi-Fi network, and the target supports Cast or Miracast. Once done, open Brave and load the tab, video, or file you want to share. Next, click Brave's menu and select Cast, or right-click the tab and choose Cast. This starts device discovery. You're now actively looking for receivers. Keep the target screen awake and allow network discovery so Brave can list available devices. After Brave lists available devices, pick the correct receiver, check names or room labels to avoid wrong displays. Once selected, choose your source. Cast just the current tab for video, pick desktop to mirror everything, or select file to stream a local video. Make sure audio routing is set as you want. Some receivers offer stereo versus surround options. If quality controls appear, choose a higher bitrate for video, but reduce it if the network is unstable, to prevent stuttering and dropouts. To end, click the cast icon in Brave or use the menu and stop casting. This cleanly releases the receiver. If you see lag, blank screens, or no audio, first restart Brave and the receiver, then verify receiver firmware is current. Also, make sure only one device is streaming to that receiver. For persistent latency, switch the sender to a wired Ethernet link or move both devices to a 5 GHz network. This reduces interference. Finally, reselect the casting source and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.